Today I'm gonna show you how to make a beef stock. Come on, follow me guys. Beef of cuts.
Marrow bone,
Coriander, parsley, basil,
carrot, parsnips, garlic,
leek,
celery, onion,
peppercorn, coriander seeds, tomatoes, bay leaves.
That was all for 93.
We're going right now to the car.
Today I'm gonna show you how to make a beef stock. First of all, we're gonna use a beef bone marrow. You can get them for any of your local butchers. I got it today for just £1. We're also gonna use a little bit of oil and we're gonna bake it in the oven for about an hour or two until we're gonna get a golden brownish color. Bone marrow is in the oven. I set the oven to 180. This is our ingredients. We're gonna use leek. Gonna wash it first. Oh my god. First ingredient, leek. We're cutting it up. Garlics, we're gonna put to the metal bowl right here. Our second ingredient is celery. Put it to the bowl. Ingredient number 3 is gonna be the carrots. We're gonna chop up carrot. Cut out the young bits. That's it. Carrots will go to the bowl. Next, parsnip. Next ingredient will be our onions. We're gonna peel them. Cut out the young bits. Cut it in half. Put it at the end. Just gonna cut up a little bit the onion in some wedges. Throw it to the bowl. Next up, garlic. We're gonna put a couple of cloves of the garlic in, right here and right here. Next, after our garlic, we're gonna chop up some tomatoes. Believe it or not, the tomatoes are from my garden. I'm gonna put the video clip right here so you can see the evidence. What we're gonna do, we're gonna chop them up. And now we're coming out to our herbs. We've got coriander, basil, and some parsley. Put that parsley all in together. Coriander, that much of basil. All of that's our vegetable prep for our beef broth. Let's see how is our bones doing. The meat is looking good. This is getting nicely cooked. You can smell a bit of the barbecue smell. We're gonna leave it for another 15-20 minutes and we're gonna carry on the hob. We got our bone marrow ready. Next step, we're gonna chuck everything to the pot. As well, together with our prep, we're gonna add our bone marrow, the cooked bone marrow, right here. Yes, it's cooked. Place it inside. We're gonna add a couple of bay leaves, 3.5, then a little bit of our black peppercorn and some of the coriander seeds. All of that we're gonna cover up with water. We're gonna slow cook it for probably about 6 hours. That's our beef broth spread. We're gonna put it now on the hob, slow fire, and we're gonna cook it for about 6 to 8 hours. I reckon it should be done in about 6 hours. We put it right on. Everything's in the pot. We're gonna slow cook it for the next 6 hours. We're gonna have a look from time to time how it's going, and then I will see you at the next step. Right guys, so we're back again. It's been 6-7 hours. Let's have a look how our broth is doing. Let's have a look. Wow. So our broth is done. We're gonna switch off the hob. We're gonna let it cool down a little bit and we're gonna pour it and taste it. Now we're gonna put them on the side. One side here. Our broth. There you go. And to show it more, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour it in the see-through container. We're gonna let it cool down on the side and later on we can store it in a fridge or a freezer. So those vegetables, it's not actually waste. We can still use it. We can make a soup out of it, we can blend it, make it into the paste, or we can eat it just like that, simply tonight for our dinner. And this is our broth. We can use this one in lots of different recipes. For example, we can make it as a soup base, or use it for the beef stew, maybe for the shepherd's pie as a flavoring for the meat, or even as a base for the noodles, or simply in a crock pot. Now let it cool down, and then put it in the fridge or freezer. And here's the broth in solid form. It can last up to 3 to 4 days in the fridge or 6 months in the freezer. Remember, don't forget to label it so you know when you made it.